Welcome back to AWE TV. My name is Mark Pizer. I'm here with Jerry Ellsworth, co-founder and president of castAR. What have you seen from them so far?
I think the thing that really struck me in the last day or so is there was a group that had a cross-platform system where they had an Oculus-style head-mount display where they were doing first-person view, and then they used castAR on the table so that you could see the avatars running along and building kind of Minecraft-style building.
So I'll just put my headset on now and I'll start building stuff.
Yeah, so they're doing like Oculus and Android headsets. Or I think just Android headsets, but...
Hello and welcome to Tech24. I'm Julia Seeger. Coming up, how far are we from creating a metaverse, a collective virtual shared space in which we would all interact as avatars? The term was coined in Neil Stephenson's 1992 novel Snow Crash, and some believe it's the future iteration of the internet.
Are you ready to enter the Matrix? Are you willing to be Neo again?
I don't think we'll have a choice. Now, there are other technologies that are helping popularize avatars, and one example is this headset.
Right, this headset has been made by castAR. The company is based in the US. Now, the idea behind the headset is that it essentially consists of three parts. One is the glasses, second is the computer, and third is this sheet. This is it's called the retro-reflective sheet, something similar to what we see cyclists wear in order to reflect the light. So what it does is there are two projectors. The computer generates the image. The projector projects this image onto the sheet, and because of its because of its properties, the light doesn't scatter away, but it holds it and it reflects it back to the lens, and that's how you see the images on top of the sheet. You won't be able to see anything here. Right. It's just the wearer who sees this image.
Well, you got our attention there. Can we try it?
Yeah, sure, you can try it. Now, the interesting part is that, as we mentioned quite a few times, that it's all about the social angle as well to whatever we do these days. So this particular setup has a social angle in the sense that you can see the images here, right, and these images are projected on the screen. Whatever you're seeing here is projected on the screen. Now, that's a top view, or you can say God's view. While me, I'm donning this Oculus Rift headset, and I'm becoming a part of the environment. So now I'm on the green mat, as you can see on the screen, and now I'll start moving around.
And there are staircases there.
Right, now I'm climbing the staircase. Here I go, and I'm up. I can see an engine, a railway engine, and I'm going down again. With this, I can also do some really cool stuff, like I can pick up this ball here and just see it.
And I can see the same thing, but from the top, sky view.
Exactly, you have a top view.
Right.
Or for example, if I want to construct something, I'll just click here. I'll say exteriors.
So in a near future, how will it work? Will we be able to play together in the same game, or how? Right,
now, the idea behind this game, or this is not a game, this is a demonstration project. The idea behind it is that right now when I don the Oculus Rift, I become a part of this environment. 20 more people can don Oculus Rifts. They can be in any part of the world, and they can become a part of this, this virtual world. So I can interact with them either through voice, I can play games, so for example, I can play football here, as you saw the ball, so we can construct our own games. And you can have lots of interactions. Now, for now, your God's view, you're just a God. You're just watching things as God does.
You can't interact.
But later on, the idea is that you can start interacting as well. So you can have your own
I can reach out with a hand.
You can reach out with the hand, just move the pieces, you know. So that will be very interesting. And it could have multiple applications. So for example, this particular software for the program has been created by a French company called NUCLEUS VR. They're based in Lyon. And they provide all the tools for software tools for the developers to build games. So in this example, we have a CAD computer-aided design. So here you see there's an engine, so you can actually go and explore the engine. You can explode the parts. You can put one part aside, and you can interact with someone else in other part of the world about this part, saying, "Oh, there's a faulty design I see here. Can you rectify it?" and so on and so forth. So that's the next thing. And the other important thing, just like we saw in HoloLens, you can have something called virtual tourism. So here in this application as well, you have the possibility of you have the possibility of clicking on photos, and those photos could be anything. So for example, here there's a photo of a beautiful cathedral. You can explore that cathedral, and in the future you can plug that cathedral, put it in the virtual space. So anyone who's with the Oculus Rift and is an avatar, he can just watch as he walks along. So the possibilities are immense. It's